One of the most common questions I get is, how do I make my first sale? I'm brand new. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't want to spend a ton of time and energy and effort going in the wrong direction. So I've got a little example here that I want to show you, and I'm going to be using our model here. And this is Scatterbrained Sally. And pay no attention to the fact that she's not wearing any clothes. This is a PG rated podcast here. So little Sally here is scatterbrained. So what she does is she sets up a shop on Redbubble and she uploads 250 designs. This is kind of normal, right? Once you reach 250 designs, you kind of think, okay, I got enough designs. I'm ready to make some sales. And then nothing happens. Maybe a month, 2 months goes by. So she gets discouraged and she moves on to TeePublic. In TeePublic, she uploads 250 designs there. Nothing happens. So then she goes, well, maybe I'll move on to Society6 and I'll upload 250 designs onto Society6 and nothing happens. Then she moves on to Zazzle. You get the idea. So now she's got 4 platforms up and running, 250 designs on each platform. And really what she's doing is, if you picture this like a race, like pretend it's like the 100-meter dash or the 100-yard dash, she's coming in like 3rd or 4th every time. So 250 designs on Redbubble, she's placing 3rd, 4th, 12th in whatever the search rankings are, and she's not reaching any customers. She does not have enough high-quality designs in enough low competition niches. Now we jump over to this other nice lady, and this is Nancy the nurse. Nancy the nurse, on the other hand, says, hey, I'm going to upload 1,000 designs as well, but I'm only going to upload my 1,000 designs all to one platform. So whether it's Redbubble, TeePublic, Society6, I don't care what the platform is. In this example, we're going to say it's Redbubble. This is going to take time and dedication and hard work. So now we've essentially got 2 ladies with 1,000 designs up in the world. Who's more likely to make their first sale? They've both got 1,000 designs. They're both spread out among the world. Chances are, if the designs were of the same quality and the same niche, that you would probably have a better chance of making a sale on Redbubble in this instance, because the 1,000 designs are all on one platform. And I'm going to show you an example of why I think that's the case. Okay, so Nancy the nurse is on Redbubble and she's got 1,000 designs. Here's the question. What are the quality of the designs? Let's say they're decent quality. Let's talk about niche marketing. What is Nancy an expert in? That's the key. This is the secret sauce to making your first sale on Redbubble. Everyone is an expert in something. And if you're sitting there looking in the mirror going, man, I'm not an expert in anything, think hard. Ask your mom, ask your dad, ask your spouse, ask your best friend, ask your dog. Say, hey, what is my gift that I'm giving to the world? Nancy the nurse in our example is a nurse. So that's her job. So she does this on the side. She looks at Redbubble as a fun hobby. Think of all the technical terms that would apply to Nancy's position as a nurse. Nurse, licensed practical nurse, registered nurse. We've got care worker, care superhero, hospital worker, night shift. We've got other ancillary niches you could draw off of that, such as porters, doctors, specialists, all the different departments inside of a hospital. So the key here on Redbubble is to have 1,000 designs. That's the goal. And what has she done? If she's got 1,000 designs of all these different micro niches, she's created a brand. Now, because we don't have the licensing rights to McDonald's and Apple computers and Guns N' Roses, we don't have the license to those brands. Okay, we're not Nike. So we need to establish our own brand. A common question I get is, how do I establish my own brand? You establish your own brand for free by becoming dominant and becoming an expert in one niche. Now, it's a big niche. It's nursing in our example here in this video, but you could micro niche it down. You could have nurse plus cat, nurse plus dog, nurse night shift. You could have different professions. There's all sorts of different things, but her store now becomes the nurse store, the hospital store. And that's going to get you likes and follows and ultimately sales on Redbubble. So I hope you found that helpful. Quick little walkthrough on how you can get your first sale on Redbubble. And if you like that video, check this one out so you can make your designs better. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.